let's refine our previous code and delve into building a theme menu. Firstly, add our CSS file to the app.blade.php layout file. Now, let's create the skeleton for our theme menu. Before we proceed, let's create an icon component for our themes. I'll create 3 files, Sun, Moon, and System, where we'll insert SVG code for the icons. You can find suitable icons on heroicons.com. Copy and paste the code into your files, making slight adjustments for consistency, such as setting the height and width to 24. We'll also add the attributes variable provided by Laravel for additional attributes when using this component elsewhere. Our icons are now ready. As you know, you can call a Blade component using x- on the opening tag, followed by the icon path. For brevity, I'll provide you with a finished code for the design portion. You can pause the video to study or write the code. In this implementation, we're using Alpine.js to make it functional. Essentially, we're storing selected themes in local storage. To make it work, add dark mode to the class in the tailwind.config.js file. Additionally, include x-cloak and other classes in our app.css file to complete the design. While this setup works, to eliminate flickering effects, consider loading the theme before the app. Add a loadthemes.js file in the public directory and call it in your layout file. Finally, let's move our theme's code to its own component for reusability. Now, our theme menu is working seamlessly. If you encounter any difficulties, please don't hesitate to comment. Happy coding!